Welcome, everyone, to Bestsellers Market. I'm thrilled to have you here today as we dive into an exciting countdown of the best-selling accent and off-road lighting products on Amazon. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast looking to light up the trails or someone who loves the perfect accent lighting for your vehicle, we've got you covered. Today, we'll be showcasing the top products that are lighting up the market, both literally and figuratively. These products have not only captured the attention of consumers, but have also garnered rave reviews for their quality, performance, and style. Without further ado, let's get started with our countdown. Buckle up and get ready to discover the brightest stars in accent and off-road lighting. Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up as we illuminate your world with number 5 on our countdown of best-selling accent and off-road lighting on Amazon, the Keepsmile interior car lights. Imagine stepping into your car and being greeted by a kaleidoscope of colors, an experience tailored just for you. With Keepsmile, you have access to a mind-blowing palette of 16 million colors. Yes, you heard that right, 16 million. Craft your own unique atmosphere with ease using the intuitive Smart Apps color palette. Whether it's a spooky Halloween vibe or a festive Christmas glow, your car becomes a canvas for creativity. But that's not all. Keepsmile brings you 28 dynamic modes, ranging from automatic to flash jump, fade in and out, brightness adjustments, and speed tweaks. The power is in your hands to customize and let your imagination soar. Ever wanted your car to groove to the beats of your favorite tunes? Keepsmile's dynamic music sync feature makes it possible. The lights will pulse and dance in perfect harmony with the rhythm of your music, turning every drive into a lively concert on wheels. Control freaks, rejoice. With Keepsmile, you have not one, not two, but 3 ways to command your light show. Choose between the 44-key RF remote, a 4-button control box with a built-in sensitive microphone, or the Bluetooth Smart App. Whichever you choose, seamless control is at your fingertips. Worried about messy wires? The innovative 2-line design ensures a clean and streamlined installation. Just hide the main line under your car mat and voila! No exposed wires, no clutter, just pure aesthetic brilliance. Installation is a breeze with 3 versatile methods: strong glue, screws, and hook and loop tape. Plus, a built-in overvoltage fuse keeps everything safe and cool to the touch. Versatility, safety, and simplicity, all in one package. And let's not forget the joy these lights bring. A perfect surprise for both men and women, these RGB music car LED floor lights are not just easy to use, they're a gift that keeps on giving. Whether it's a birthday present or just a token of appreciation, Keepsmile ensures happiness and delight with every glow. So, transform your ride with Keepsmile interior car lights, and let every journey be as vibrant and dynamic as you are. Hold on to your seats as we unveil number 4 in our countdown of the best-selling accent and off-road lighting on Amazon. Presenting the full LED license plate light tag lamp assembly replacement, a true game-changer for your Chevy, GMC, or Cadillac. Imagine cruising down the road with a brilliantly lit license plate that turns heads and ensures maximum visibility. These lights are specifically engineered for an array of vehicles, including the Chevy Silverado, Suburban, Tahoe, Avalanche, GMC Sierra, Yukon, and even the luxurious Escalade. For full compatibility details, refer to the product description, but rest assured, we've got you covered. Prepare to be dazzled by the sheer brightness of these lights. Each lamp is packed with 18 SMD 6000K white 3014 LED chips, delivering a staggering 300% increase in brightness compared to your standard factory lights. Your license plate will shine like never before, providing optimal rear-end illumination without blinding your backup camera. Installation? It's a breeze. With non-polarity plugs, you can simply plug and play. The lights fit directly into the original housing without any need for modifications. In just 15 minutes, you can upgrade your vehicle's visibility and safety with minimal effort. But it's not just about brightness and ease. These lights are CAN bus ready, ensuring better electric circuit stability. They're error-free for 99% of vehicles, meaning no annoying onboard computer error warnings and no interference with your FM radio. Plus, they're 100% street legal, so you can drive with confidence. Durability? Absolutely. Crafted from quality, flame-resistant PC material, these lights boast an IP65 waterproof rating, making them resilient in all weather conditions. With a lifespan of over 50,000 hours, they promise long-lasting performance under any circumstances. The full LED license plate light tag lamp assembly replacement isn't just an upgrade, it's a transformation. Enhance your vehicle's look, improve safety, and drive with a new level of confidence. This is more than just a light, it's a statement of excellence. Stay tuned as we continue our countdown with even more exciting products. Rev up your excitement as we dive into number 3 on our countdown of the best-selling accent and off-road lighting on Amazon. Get ready to transform your ride with the 4 PCS USB LED car interior atmosphere lamp, a small yet mighty accessory that packs a punch in style and functionality. Picture this, a soft ambient glow that bathes your car in the color of your choice, creating a personalized driving experience that's both stylish and comfortable. Each package comes with 4 or 7 LED car atmosphere lights in various colors. While these lights don't change colors, they offer a stunning array of single-color options to match your mood or aesthetic preference. Warm or cool tones, the choice is yours. Installation couldn't be simpler. No batteries, no fuss. Just plug the USB interface of the LED light directly into your car's USB socket. It's that easy, one step and done. The lights stay on as long as they're plugged in, ensuring continuous illumination without the hassle of recharging or sound activation. But it's not just about looks. These LED ambient lights add a touch of elegance and personality to your vehicle, creating a soothing atmosphere for every drive. They automatically turn on when plugged in, so there's no need to worry about them turning off unexpectedly. And when you're done, simply unplug to turn them off. Durability and eco-friendliness are key. These lights are energy-saving and environmentally friendly, designed to protect your eyes with soft, non-dazzling illumination. Their low power consumption means they won't drain your car's battery, offering peace of mind and long-lasting performance. Versatility is at the heart of these lights. They can be installed in any dark nook or cranny, storage boxes, armrest boxes, car doors, seat corners, and more. As long as there's a USB port, these lights can brighten up any space. And they're not just for cars. They work with computers, laptops, power banks, and any other USB-compatible device. The 4 PCS USB LED car interior atmosphere lamp is more than just an accessory. It's a revolution in car interior lighting. Stylish, functional, durable, and versatile, these lights bring a new level of comfort and personality to your driving experience. Illuminate your journey and let your car's interior shine with this exceptional lighting kit. Stay tuned as we continue our countdown with even more extraordinary products. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling accent and off-road lighting on Amazon? Well, don't be left in the dark. Like, subscribe and press the bell icon to stay illuminated with all our bright ideas. Prepare to be dazzled as we introduce number 2 in our countdown of the best-selling accent and off-road lighting on Amazon. Presenting the Nilight LED Pods, your ultimate solution for unparalleled brightness and durability in any terrain or weather. Imagine slicing through the darkness with a beam so powerful it transforms night into day. The Nilight LED Pods feature advanced LED chips that emit an intense bright white light. This isn't just illumination, it's clarity and visibility redefined. The specially designed lamp cup ensures a broad illumination range, giving you a clear view of both sides of your path, enhancing safety and confidence on every drive. Durability? Nilight takes it to a whole new level. These LED pods boast an IP67 waterproof rating, meaning they can withstand being submerged in up to a meter of water for 30 minutes and remain effectively dustproof. Rain, mud, or snow, these lights are built to conquer it all. The stainless mounting brackets are rust-proof and anti-corrosive, ensuring these lights stay firmly in place and looking sharp, no matter the conditions. Heat dissipation is crucial for longevity, and Nilight excels here too. Equipped with quick cooling aluminum alloy heat sinks and high-quality heat conduction silicone gel, these lights are designed to last. We're talking a lifespan of over 30,000 hours. That's reliability you can count on, drive after drive, adventure after adventure. Versatility is the name of the game with Nilight LED Pods. They're perfect not only for off-road escapades but also for garden lighting, backyard illumination, as backup lights, or even construction lighting. Whether you're navigating rugged trails in your truck, lighting up your golf cart, or adding visibility to your camper, these lights deliver performance and flexibility in spades. Each package includes two 18W flood LED pods, ready to unleash 1260 lumens of super bright light wherever you need it. Compact yet powerful, these lights are your go-to companions for both indoor and outdoor lighting needs. Nilight backs these impressive features with a 2-year warranty, ensuring peace of mind with every purchase. Illuminate your world with the Nilight LED pods and experience lighting like never before, bright, durable, and versatile. Stay tuned for the grand finale as we reveal the top product in our countdown. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to unveil the #1 product in our top 5 best-selling accent and off-road lighting on Amazon. This isn't just a lighting upgrade, it's a revolution for your car's interior. Introducing the Govee Car LED Lights, the ultimate fusion of technology, style, and convenience. Imagine transforming your car into a vibrant, colorful sanctuary. With the Govee Car LED lights, you can choose from a staggering 16 million colors. Yes, 16 million. And with the creative DIY mode, the Govee Home app lets you customize these colors and effects to your heart's content. Whether you're in the mood for a soothing blue glow or a fiery red blaze, your car can now reflect your unique style and personality. But that's not all. Let's talk about the dynamic music mode. The built-in microphone syncs the lights with the rhythm of your favorite tunes. Picture this, your lights dancing in perfect harmony with the music, turning every drive into a personal concert. Road trips, weekend getaways, or even your daily commute will never be the same again. The ambiance? Absolutely electrifying. Control at your fingertips, that's what the Smart App Control offers. With just a tap on the Govee Home app, you can manage colors, adjust brightness, or activate the music mode. Convenience meets innovation, giving you a comfortable and vibrant driving experience every time you hit the road. Worried about installation? The Govee Car LED lights feature a 2-lines design, connecting 4 LED strip lights seamlessly to any car model. Say goodbye to exposed wiring and messy installations. Just clean and dry the surface, attach the lights with the provided adhesive and support clips, and you're all set. The rubber tubing protects the lights from water spills, ensuring durability and longevity. The Govee Car LED lights are more than just an accessory. They're a game changer. Illuminate your car's interior with brilliant, customizable colors. Let your music come to life with dynamic lighting effects, and enjoy effortless control through your smartphone. It's not just about driving. It's about creating an unforgettable experience every time you get behind the wheel. And there you have it, the pinnacle of automotive lighting excellence. #1 on our countdown, the Govee Car LED lights. Elevate your ride, express your style, and drive in a world of vibrant colors. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the best of the best in accent and off-road lighting on Amazon. Drive safe and let your light shine bright. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the best-selling accent and off-road lighting on Amazon. To stay updated with all the top sellers, be sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Check the pinned comment for links to all the products we discussed today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.